Connecting North, your own virtual answering service. If you are a small business owner, contractor, plumber, electrician, are running your own business, then you should be aware of the fact that people hang up 80% of the time when they get voicemail. Luckily, at Connecting North, we got you covered. We not only take care of your missed calls, we help you grow your business. You can now properly manage your appointments with your existing clients, get new contracts, and increase revenue. Our receptionists are professionally trained to take care of any frustrating calls. People like to talk to people. At Connecting North, all your calls get responded, every single time. We can get you started with very minimal information about you and your company. No contract or payment information required for your free trial. Sounds fun, right? Use the link in the description and sign up now and start with your free trial.